Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time let's unbox the new Huawei Watch GT4. So let us see what's inside the box. So upon opening, bubungad agad sa atin ang ating smartwatch. It looks so premium and elegant. Napakaganda guys niya. So iset aside muna natin and let's see what's inside the box. So dito sa isang side, makikita natin ang dalawang paperworks. So, I believe it's the manual and the warranty card. There you go, guys. So, napakadami ng laman niya. So, on the other side, guys, tingnan naman natin kung ano ang kanyang laman. Ayun siya, guys. So, andito ang kanyang charger. So, ayan siya, guys. Napaka-premium din. Ayan siya. Pang-connect sa ating power brick. Ayan. So, ibalik na natin siya guys sa kanyang lagayan. So, eto guys, yung ating Huawei Watch GT24. So, ito yung kanyang likod. Napakaganda niya guys. Napaka-solid. So, eto, i-browse lang natin. Tingnan natin. So, yung mga feature niya, ayan. So, nasusum in, zoom out. Ayan. Napaka-responsive niya, guys. So, what are you waiting for? I-try nyo na ang pinakabagong Huawei Watch GT4. So, that's all for today's video. Salamat sa panonood. This has been your Surfers. Maraming salamat guys.